Good morning. Vibe, no? Just walked past the fire station and they're vibing. They have good music taste. Hey guys, it's our last day in New York for this year.
I only came in, I didn't say anything.
I know. I'm on my way to the hairdresser. We're going to Williamsburg for that. Oh, I love the New York backdrop. So this morning I woke up at 7. It was very unpleasant. Also 7 a.m. is like 1 p.m. in Europe. I tried to stay awake and I put on music like really loud. I put on Lana Del Rey. And then I went into a rabbit hole. I went all the way down to the Beatles, but I had a lot of fun. And then I realized there's a whole music world out there that I haven't kind of like got into for the last years. So I'm very excited, and I think it's so interesting how music is such a big part of life. And I think it's so interesting that you randomly develop like a new, not taste, but like preference for music. So I'm very curious to see where this is going. I am on the hunt for some gifts. I thought it's my last day in New York for this year. I can also get some gifts. The day is so beautiful. I want to soak in every second that I get. Oh, it's over there, right?
Where?
Over there.
That one?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, vintage store. They have Thom Browne. That's cool.
You want to go inside?
Yeah. You had me at Thom Browne. I got in trouble, guys. Jürgen came to the shop and he was screaming through the whole store. He said, "Singer, okay, Dad." Hi.
Hello.
Have you noticed that my down days are always at the end of the week? Always. It's so strange. I think the first time I noticed it was in March. Then I noticed it again in April, May, June. Like that was the time where I really like every Thursday and Friday, I would have my low. It's so crazy. I think what happens is that my body is telling me stop. And then I'm like forced to rest or forced to take it really slow. And then I'm like, ooh, I relaxed, let me go all in. It's happening again because the last time I had a down day and now I'm vlogging, so I actually recorded. And the last time I had a down day was, yeah, it was kind of last weekend. And now I have it again. Xenia, it's a thing. People have winter depression, I have weekend depression. I've been procrastinating, which is ironic because I had an intention for today and my intention was to travel relaxed. When I had my therapy session yesterday, I was talking about how sometimes I get into this mood where I don't do things intentionally. Like I just, for example, I get into a habit of scrolling or just like refreshing. I just keep refreshing like my emails as if I'm waiting for something. And no, I'm not waiting for something. It's just like a habit. So I talked about being more intentional with my day. But something I've noticed about therapy is that when you want to change a behavior, It's not like you go to therapy and your behavior is changed. Like, duh. Then nobody would have problems, am I right? It's more like it takes a few days to kick in. So I guess it's kind of normal that I really struggle with following my intention. Something that I've learned yesterday is that an intention is not saying like a to-do, like, ooh, I want to pack today. It's a feeling that you want to accomplish. So the feeling that I was aiming for today was to travel without stress. So to travel relaxed. And the stress hasn't kicked in yet, but I strangely feel like I'm really sad to leave New York. Like, this feeling really confuses me because what's going on? I'm not in an exciting mood. I think this has never happened before. I want to show you guys something because I bought my team, my favorite tea. So this is my favorite tea. I hope it's gluten-free. Oh yeah, it is. I love this tea. No, she gave me the loose one. Oh no, it's tea bags. I was in shock. That I'm very excited about. And I also got my team a perfume. Wait, let me show you. I got my girls a perfume that I really love. It's a very popular perfume. But what I love is that Glossier has a solid version. You know, it's like the solid perfume. And I have it as a spray and I love it because this perfume actually takes on your scent. So every scent is different. I thought it's such a cool present. Alrighty. Okay guys, I wanna tell you my strategy for packing. Especially when I have longer flights and when I'm like, I have to pack everything. And also, I don't only have to pack, I also have to clean up and leave everything super neat because my friend is actually staying here for a bit while we're traveling. And we need to do all of this within 30 minutes. And I'm just gonna show you a trick. So, okay, so usually I do a casting. The first casting round is me preparing things over here. So as you can see, I have my Christmas PJs, I have sweaters, pants, more sweaters, and some summer things because I'm also traveling in the warmth. And here I have jackets and blazers. I kind of feel like my pre-casting is already pretty good. Like, it doesn't look like a lot. And now you have to vote, okay? Oh wait, I also need to show you guys the vintage pieces that I bought because obviously they're coming with me. Okay, so I have this really cool vintage jacket. I love this vintage vibe. I'm like, I have to do something like this for attire. It's so cool. So this is the vintage bomber. I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Well, it literally looks like a vintage bomber. I really love it because it's giving cool girl. It's giving cool girl, and when I'm feeling like I'm doing right now, I need a portion of coolness because... What the hell, Xenia? Get your shit together. I have another bomber. I think I am in love with bombers. And this one is so special. It is my favorite color of the season. And look, this fit, it's so good. Wow, I am in shock about this fit. It's perfect. Wow, incredible. So we're packing this one. And last but not least, I have a mint sweater. You guys know I love anything oversized. The only thing is it's a bit... It doesn't smell the best. It smells like it's been stored for like a very long time, you know what I mean? But that's okay, we're gonna fix this with a cloud of perfume. Look. Such a great sweater. Okay, these I'm packing for sure, so I just don't know what to do about the smell. I am really annoying when it comes to like clothing pieces. I always want them like perfectly clean, perfectly washed, folded, and yeah, let's see. Like, my biggest pet peeve is when I get a sample and it smells. I can't. I'm so picky. Okay, this one goes without question. It's my attire cardigan. The good thing is that it's easy to make this decision that I'm gonna take the navy one because I've been wearing the white one like non-stop. So now it's time for the navy to have its moment and I'm taking this one. This one is my Dior sweater. I love it because it's just really black and it's heavy, but it has this cool Dior detail. I'm packing this cable knit. It's by Tommy and I really love it because it's just very cozy. And we love that for winter. And I am packing my Hermes sweater for obvious reasons. But I think I'm gonna pack this in hand luggage. So the risk of losing it is a little bit minimized. I am packing these vintage, actually I don't even think they're vintage. They're Hermes pants, but I got them in a sample sale. White denims, they're a good staple piece for winter. I have the Road denims and then Saint Laurent black denims. I'm packing quite a few of attire pieces just because I can always pull from the office and also I have a lot of things in Europe. So I try to like keep it between Europe and here. It's all spread out, but I have to pack this one because I literally wear it every single day. And I also have to pack the skirt that I also wear a lot and I feel like it's gonna be so cute in Europe. And then I thought about this because these type of pants, this is by Fiorucci. I feel like these type of pants look so good with like cozy knits, you know, like chunky. Oh, I actually have to bring my attire net. Yeah, see, so I have my attire turtleneck. It's from like, I don't know how many seasons ago, maybe 3 years ago. Still going strong. That's why you invest in quality pieces. So this would look so good together with this. You know what I mean? Like this contrast of like super sexy and super cozy, that's always a vibe. And I will pack these in the other suitcase. I'm not sure about the Mugler blazer, so this is in the waiting position. I'm definitely bringing my attire short trench just because I think it's so chic and perfect for rainy days in Paris. I want to bring this attire blazer just because we didn't have a lot of quantities, so I don't even know if we have a sample of this in the office, and I really like wearing it for dinners or meetings. Ooh, we need to take care of this. Woozy. She's leaving her marks for sure. Then I have another blazer. It's a black blazer. It's actually Jürgen's, but I stole it. So Jürgen, if you see this, no you didn't. And of course, my favorite attire jacket. This I have to take because I wear it so much. It's the Alfie jacket and it's a vibe. It's a vibe. I'm definitely taking this. I think I'm good on like the basics. I think. Guys, I did realize why I was so unmotivated today, and I think the main reason is that I haven't slept all week. Like, I had an average of 5 hours per day and it worked okay, but I think now I hit the peak. But I have a strategy, so I will tell you about my strategy. Number one, when you travel back to Europe, you will have to have a very early dinner because you need to put your stomach into Euro time. So normally I have my dinner, well, it's like a very big lunch. I usually have it around 3 or 4, then I don't eat, period. And I know it's hard because if you're like me, I love airport food and I don't care what people say. I have so many friends who are like, oh my god, so disgusting, I would never eat it. I love it. I love it. I love how like squishy it is and like it's like soaked in sauce and it's squishy and I don't know. I just love it. So this is really hard. So always try to take a flight as late as possible when you go to Europe. We originally wanted to get the midnight flight, but it was booked out when we checked again. So now we're taking the 9:30 flight, which is still okay because when it's like in the air, it's 5 a.m. in Europe. No, it's 4 a.m. Doesn't sound that bad. It's like I just had a very long night out. Huh?
It's delayed.
Yeah, but we will probably...
I think it will take a while.
Yeah, you're right. Damn.
So that's good for your theory.
Oh yeah, you're actually right. Why did I not think of that? I also brought melatonin because there's no way I'm gonna suffer through this jet lag. Yeah, so no more food, only drinks, but nothing with sugar, obviously. When I get into the plane, I'm gonna do my skincare routine, and I'm so excited I have to show you guys. Okay, so this is my little Issey Miyake travel cosmetic bag. I'm gonna show you the goodies. Okay, and these are, by the way, it's like some things that I bought and some things that are from like the Dior Advents calendar or some things that I got gifted. So this is from the calendar, I believe, and I'm gonna take all off. I mean, I have barely any makeup left because it's been a random day and I didn't do a proper job in my makeup. Anyway, I take it off. Then we do a balancing toner. Then, guys, these small Dior serums are literally the best thing that like happened in miniature size. I'm so excited. I don't know which one I'm gonna do. Usually I like to use this in the morning. So I think I'm gonna do this for the night time. That's a toner and I'm gonna do this in the morning as well. And then we have the Super Luxe Creme. I just want to smell it. Oh, it's like literally fresh. Oh. I am obsessed. I always, like, this is my favorite part about traveling. I always remove my makeup, but I also love having these like small miniature things. Then I have a sleeping mask. I don't think I'm going to use it this time. And where's my Laneige? Laneige. Voila. Lip sleeping mask. I'm so excited. Honestly, at this point, I should just take it off already. Why did I not take it off in the lounge? That was not smart. I did online shopping in the lounge. Can't help it. I think I'm gonna do some more gift shopping. It's like the only thing my brain is currently capable of doing.